Meal prep my lunch for the week with me. To a tablespoon of melted butter, I'm going to add this Kinder's buttery seasoning. I like it because it gives me the buttery taste without all the extra calories that I would need if I'm using just butter. Then I added some dried thyme. I added chicken bouillon. I'll have a detailed measurement of everything I use, and you can season it how you like. I'm also adding some ground black pepper, salt, and Cameroon pepper for some kick. I'll mix this all together and taste for seasoning and, adjust it to my preferences. But this was good. So I just poured it on my cubed chicken breast. I'm going to mix this all up and set it aside. Now, on medium heat, I'm adding my chicken and I'm going to cook this till it gets some color. Once it looks like this, the chicken is cooked. I'm going to set it aside and cook my veggies so I don't overcook my chicken. I added some chopped onions. Make sure you add the bowl. That adds to the taste of the chicken. So I'm going to cook my onions and cook it until it's soft to help deglaze the pan. Once the liquid from the onions come out, it's going to take all the brown bits of the pan, and that's going to add to the flavor of your sauce. Now that my onions look like this, I'm going to add my sliced bell peppers. I'm just doing this as a variation from normal rice and stew because it can get boring if I have to eat rice and stew for the whole week. So that's why I'm making this sauce, and I'm just going to cook this till my peppers are reduced. Now, because I'm going to be eating this with rice, to make it a little bit saucy, I'm adding some boiled down tomato mix so that I'll have a little bit of sauce. Once that's cooked, I'll add my chicken back and mix it together. Cover and let it cook for about 5 minutes just so that the flavors can marry each other. And once it looks like this, we are done. Just gonna taste for seasoning. It was good, so I'm gonna set this aside and start meal prepping. I have my sauce, my rice, my mixed vegetables, my scale, very important, and my meal prep bowls. So I'm gonna measure it out. I put my bowl on the scale and I zeroed it out. Then I'll add 4 ounces of rice to each bowl. So the sauce I made is enough to last me for 7 days. So I'm just adding 4 ounces of rice to each bowl. I usually make my recipes on, what do they call this? My net diary. You can use any fitness app you like just to measure how many calories you have in each meal so that you can stay on track. So I added 4 ounces of rice. Now I'm adding 3 ounces of mixed vegetables to each bowl, and then I measured everything I put in the sauce, so I just divided that by 7 to get the serving size. This is my final plate. This is lunch for 7 days, and now once the steam goes off, I'm just going to cover everything and we're done. This is my lunch for the week. Very simple and easy to make. I have attached some screenshots of the calories in the sauce and in the whole meal, so you can pause and take a screenshot. Thanks for watching. Bye.